Hello everyone, today we're looking at cookie and snack recipes in an ebook by Jack Adams, which you will find on Amazon. If you're diabetic, please make out this list, print it out for yourself so you know what foods are allowed on our low carb, high fat diet to lower your A1C, your blood sugar readings, and possibly get you off all medication. And if you can't get off meds and you're really trying, there's no shame to admit that you need meds. I'm lucky I can do 30 carbs, but we allow up to 50 on the low carb, high fat. So let's look at this. Let's see what the table of contents is. First we've got the desserts. Okay. Go right into it. We're mostly interested in the carb count, the ingredients, and the carbs. We count the total carbs. This is 1 gram per serving, so that's good. Coconut bark. What's it say? 1 gram, that's good. Coconut clusters. If you can't find these, use the Hershey's sugar-free chocolate chips. Probably have to order that mini carb on Amazon. Okay, chocolate peanut butter cups. 6 carbs, it's a little higher. Peanut butter does have more carbs, even if you get the sugar-free or no sugar added. Here he's got whey protein powder. We suggest the Isopure, which has 0 carbs. Always check your ingredients for carbs and sugars. Alright. 2 carbs, that's good. 5, a little higher. The coconut might make this one a little higher too, yeah. 5 carbs per serving. Ginger snaps. Skip the molasses because it's a version of syrup, thick syrup, which has natural sugar in it, and our bodies can't tell the difference. Okay, 1 carb. If you're diabetic, I'll have the link below for the common supplies required for low carbers. Stick to the list. And you might be going through a keto flu at first because your body has to adjust to this lower amount of carbs. Alright, this I would not make. Vanilla wafers, I think it says like 13 carbs. I would not make that. Alright, that's 2 butter cookies. Here we are again with the protein powder. Isopure. Check your health food store or Amazon. Okay, this is higher. 8 grams. I don't know if it's because of the cheese. Alright. You'll learn a lot going through these recipes. Okay, this is also 8 carbs. Pudding. Whipping cream, sour cream. That should be good. 4 carbs. Alright, let's go ahead to something besides desserts. Pumpkin snack. There's a lot in here. Wow. Cinnamon muffins. Alright, anything that says banana on it, you should use the banana extract and eliminate the molasses. Jello cake. Always test to make sure. Try to stay under 120. Well, here's some casseroles. Okay. Cheddar cheese, lots of cheese, onions, bacon, yum. Alright. Net carbs. 4. So if you're doing whole, it would probably be about 6 or 7. Good. Good. Looks like net carbs from now on. Okay, pizza casserole. 5 grams. This is chicken cashew. Alright, sugar-free syrup. That's probably that syrup that you use for coffee. It's in the coffee aisle. Torrani, I think it's called. There's a couple different varieties. Alright, let's see what's next. Low carb chicken lasagna. Chicken deli slices. Feta cheese. 5 net. Another chicken casserole. Okay, so this is net of 9, so that's higher. So it'd probably be like 12 if you're doing total carbs. Okay. Oh, I love cabbage. Let's see what this is. Oh, that sounds good. Corned beef. Corned beef and cabbage. Low carb thickener, that would be xanthan gum. I'll show you what it looks like. You only start with like a half a teaspoon because it gets thick really quickly. That's like a Reuben. Alright. Chicken and cheese. 7. Breakfast sausage. 7. Low carb cheeseburger. Alright. Broccoli Alfredo. Cauliflower. Spinach lasagna. Enchilada. You might want to make your own seasoning for the tacos. I don't know. I'm not sure if all those ingredients in that store-bought mix are compliant with our list. Probably not. Cordon bleu. Everything sounds delicious. 4 carbs, net carbs. Alright. Eliminate the peas. Those are starchy vegetables. And let's see. I didn't see carb count on that. Alright. Tomato frittata. Sausage egg casserole. That's very low. 2 grams for net. Keto friendly, okay. 3.7. That is good. Green beans. The only beans that we allow on the low carb, high, good fat is the green beans and the yellow wax beans. Although they say, you know, like the northern beans and baked beans are high in fiber, they're also starchy. Alright. Pork chop, wow, there's a lot in here. Okay, now let's see if he uses the canned soup, like the Campbell's, which has cornstarch in it. No, so far he's making his own from scratch. That's good. Looks like cream and tomatoes. We don't have soy sauce on our list. We substitute the coconut aminos. Okay. Cauliflower soup. This looks like a great book if you can just substitute items that are higher carb or leave them out, so it keeps you in the 50 carbs or less per day. Actually, we like to say for our micronutrients, 70% healthy fats like butter, avocados, nuts, 20% protein and 10% carbs. Clam chowder. See here they have that xanthan gum. I am hoping I pronounce that right. Clams, I don't know. I wouldn't make that. Personal taste. Okay, chicken broth. Cheese, I would eliminate the carrots. Carrots, to me, are like a form of squash. So they're sweet. So the only squash I use is a spaghetti squash. Alright. Eliminate the carrots. Everything else is okay. Mushroom soup. Spicy chicken. There's a lot of recipes. Asparagus soup. Alright, eliminate carrots. You could substitute, oh, they have celery in here. Substitute green beans. Alright, that's the end. I give this like a 4-star reading. I think if you want to buy it, it's on Amazon.com. If you purchase the ebook or the Kindle version, it's a lot cheaper. I think they're only like $3. And I don't know what the paper one would be. I'd say at least 9 or 10. Personal choice. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. I'll be researching another book, and I'll be back with you soon. Have a good weekend.